Hi, I'm Jeep Momma and I have OJS. When I first bought my Jeep, I had no idea about this whole new world I was entering. I didn't realize the addiction I was in store for. I knew nothing about Jeeps. I kept hearing, it's a Jeep thing you wouldn't understand. All of us Jeepers get that saying. We say it a lot to our non-Jeep friends and family. We love our Jeeps. Our Jeeps make us happy. Our Jeeps are like part of the family. For some of us, our Jeep has changed our life. Now, 7 years later, I get it. I began to become addicted just a few months after I bought my Jeep. It grabs a hold of you quickly. It's called Obsessive Jeep Syndrome. But how do you know if you have Obsessive Jeep Syndrome? How do you know if Jeep is your obsession? Well, here are the top 10 signs of Obsessive Jeep Syndrome. Number 10. You see the UPS driver more than you see your friends. Number 9. You have a pile of worn Jeep part catalogs in the bathroom for serious reading. Number 8. You think about your Jeep even when you're not driving it. Number 7. You park next to any Jeep you see no matter how far you need to walk to your destination. Number 6. You have more pictures of your Jeep on social media than of your kids or your pet. Number 5. You are constantly opening the door to the garage or looking out your window to make sure your Jeep is okay. Number 4. You're constantly buying Jeep parts, whether they are serious mods or silly little accessories, just to get your Jeep parts fixed. Number 3. You ask the hostess at a restaurant to seat you at a table by the window so you can keep an eye on your Jeep. Number 2. You get angry when your Jeep Wave doesn't get returned. And number 1, you sell your kids' Legos so you can buy more Jeep parts. One or more of these signs and you have Obsessive Jeep Syndrome. To non-Jeep friends and family, they might feel you need to be committed. However, they don't understand because it's a Jeep thing. Remember, you're not alone. You're part of this big, wonderful Jeep family. And this Jeep family is there to help support you through this amazing time of your life. They're going to encourage you to keep buying more Jeep stuff. They will join in on your outrage when you don't get that Jeep Wave. And they will even probably try to encourage you to buy another Jeep. So remember, don't be ashamed. Hold your head high and walk into that family gathering with confidence, knowing you're living your best Jeep life. Take your Jeep everywhere you go. Go to the top of the mountain. Take that Jeep through the desert. Don't let those negative Nellies stop you from your Jeep happiness.